Hey guys, well, I had some stickers made and I think they turned out pretty nice. And I have a handful of each: 76 Vet and Life is Too Short to Drive Boring Cars. These measure 9 inches across by 1 3/4. These are 5 inches across by 1 1/4. And I have a handful of each. And I would like to send a couple, one of each, to, let's say, 10 or 15 people. And all you have to do if you want to get your stickers is leave a comment and also send me an email, and I'll post the address below, letting me know that you made a comment. And I will, put all the names in a hat and pick 15 winners, and I'll mail them to you. So if you want to get your hands on these beautiful, awesome looking stickers, just comment, and who knows, maybe you'll be one of the winners. Awesome. Thank you. Bye.